What's the meaning of color scheme? Color scheme. Color scheme.
Color scheme. Color scheme. A color scheme is a set of colors chosen to create a visual identity for a particular purpose, such as for a website, brand, or design project. It can consist of a primary color and its various shades, complementary colors, or a mix of hues that work well together. The color scheme should create a harmonious and balanced visual effect, conveying the intended mood or message of the project. A well-executed color scheme can enhance the overall appeal and effectiveness of the design by creating a cohesive and memorable impression on the viewer.